I'd like to now discuss the environmental catastrophe that is monocropping. This is nature in all her glory, a wild meadow, complete ecosystem supported by pollinated insects and animals. It's soil that filters the water and acts as a vast carbon sink. And this is a monocrop, where the diversity of life has been all but destroyed. The major issue is soil. Every time soil is ploughed, it is depleted. Trillions of organisms are exposed to the sun with wind and rain free to wash soil away. Combine this with the liberal use of pesticides, which alter the microbial communities essential for releasing nutrients within the soil, and you ultimately end up with a pile of dirt in which nothing can grow. It's no exaggeration to say this is the biggest environmental catastrophe of our time that we are ignoring. Consider this. About 1/3 of the world's productive topsoil has already been depleted. And last year, a UN report predicted that based on our current trajectory, 90% of the world's topsoil will be depleted by 2050, less than 30 years from now. Given that 95% of the world's calorie intake depends on soil, this is an impending disaster the likes of which we've never seen. And the cause is clear: industrial farming techniques used in monocrop agriculture, intensive tilling and the intensive use of pesticides and fertilizers. In line with the degradation in soil quality, fruits and vegetables have had significant declines in their nutrient quality over the last 50 years. Without healthy soil, we don't get healthy food. Here you can see the average change in nutrient levels for 13 nutrients from 43 garden crops between 1950 and 1999. And have no doubt, 24 years later, after this data was collected, the picture is almost certainly worse. Unlike industrial farming, however, ruminant grazing can actually restore topsoil. Perennial grasses are essential for soil regeneration. First of all, they bind the soil together, protecting against erosion from wind and rain. Further, as the roots grow and die off, they decompose and contribute to the biomass of the soil, while removing carbon from the atmosphere in the process. In actual fact, soil currently holds 3 times more carbon than that in the atmosphere. Cow manure too contributes to soil biomass, significantly contributing to soil quality. So we have a choice: industrial monocrop agriculture, which within our lifetime could see widespread famine, or ruminant agriculture, which can restore soil and sequester carbon.